Oh my god!
So this is for Rafe and he's going to hit some steezy clips because he's cute.
Yes people, welcome back to RL.mtb, and today we're going pump track. We've got little Danny on my bike. See what's good? Go check his channel out, he's recording, I'll put it up on screen. I'm on his bike, just to the train station, and then yeah, we're gonna mess about at pump track, see what the day holds. Huh? Over Mondraker. What Mondraker is it? Razor R. Okay. Clean bike. We've got the Polygon. You clean them stanchions. So we're gonna go pump track. Gonna jib around for a bit. Hello Danielson. Hello. Alright. Just wait for the train now. It is. Let's have a look what time it is. I want my bank card out of my pocket. It is 13 past 11. And train comes here at 15. I'm gonna get on it.
So we're waiting for the train now.
I'm gonna go pump track.
We're going Bankswood.
Ooh.
Look behind the scenes.
Both recording each other. Oh, sick. Got getting our carriage, which is this disabled bit. Oh, it's rammed, mate. Hop on here. Hop on here, it's rammed in there. Bikes are set up. Stands there, recording me with his helmet. Right, we are in Hatfield. We're just riding to the pump track now. We've got Dan back on his bike. I'm back on my bike. He's recording. So am I. Gonna do. It's Dan's first time doing doubles on a full sauce. So we'll see how that goes. Right down this road. Get to the pump track. Oh, lovely pump track. There! Ah! Bit windy. Well, I'll have the second one. Right, let me get them. Bike is feeling prime today. Go on, Dan. You've got to race the first one. Absolutely boiling. Danny to follow my line. Ah, case that last one. Let's get this. Nice double action. There we go, got all the doubles then, happy. Hopefully he's got it. Yes, Dan. Finally cleared it. Yes, the boy. Hopefully I can actually clear them now. Yes, I can. Pumping it. Please don't go on the doubles. Stay there. Oh my days, please don't go wide. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. So, it's just a little chill set. Hello. We are now back in Hyde after, I don't know, a really good and windy day at Pump Track. Not too hot, not too cold, perfect. Just the wind, man, really throwing me off. But anyway, here's the bike. Dan's not here, Dan went home before. Yeah, overall, good day. All right, that's me.
Sheldon Cooper, you dog.